video in the series of 5th grade math problems presenting problems from 36 to 40. Problem 36. The sum of two numbers is 100 and their difference is 70. Calculate the product of the two numbers. Let m and n be the numbers solved. We create a system with two equations where the sum m plus n is 100 and the difference m minus n is 70. We can apply the reduction method directly on this system, so we have 2m equals 170, so m equals 85. We calculate n from the first equation, so 85 plus n is 100, so n is 15. The product is 85 times 15, which is 1275. Problem 37. The sum of two numbers is 66. Determine the two numbers knowing that one is 5 times greater than the other. Let m and n be the two numbers solved. Again, we create a system of two equations. The first equation, m plus n equals 66, and m equals 5n. We substitute the second equation in the first equation and obtain 5n plus n equals 66. So 6n is 66, so n is 11. m is 5 times 11, which is 55. Problem 38. The difference of two numbers is 36. Determine the numbers knowing that one is 5 times less than the other. Let m and n be the numbers solved. Again, we create a system of two equations where the first equation is m minus n equals 36. The second equation is m equals 5n. We substitute the second equation in the first equation and obtain 5n minus n equals 36, so 4n is 36, so n is equal to 9. m is 5 times 9, which is 45. Problem 39. The sum of three numbers is 130. The second number is 5 greater than the double of the first, and the third is equal to the sum of the first two. Determine the numbers. Let a, b, and c be the three numbers. We create a system of three equations. a plus b plus c is 130. b equals 2a plus 5, and c is a plus b. We substitute the second and the third equation in the first one and write b and c as a function of a and obtain a plus 2a plus 5 plus a plus 2a plus 5 equals 130. So a is 20. b is 2 times 20 plus 5, which is 45. And c is 20 plus 45, which is equal to 65. Problem 40. The sum of three numbers is 65. Determine the numbers knowing that the second number is the double of the first number and 10 less than the third. Let a, b, and c be the numbers solved. We create a system of three equations. a plus b plus c is 65, b is equal to 2a, and b is equal to c minus 10. Again, we substitute the second and the third equation in the first and write b and c as a function of a and obtain that a is 11. We substitute this value in the second and the third equation to calculate b and c and obtain that b is 22 and c is 32. These were the solutions to problems 36 to 40. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.